over Chicago must fall, must break. The power, the cloud that is over Chicago must be dispersed in the name of Jesus. You told us that if we have faith, we can tell that mountain to move. So we're telling that mountain, that mountain of violence, that mountain of injustice, that mountain of uneducation, those mountains must come down in the name of Jesus Christ. We decree, oh God, that we love you and that we are a people that are for you. And you are for us, oh God. We love you today, oh God. And we bless you and we thank you. We thank you for each and every person that is walking down this street, that is driving down this street, oh God. Even if they don't stop, oh God. Even if they don't have a prayer request, oh God. We ask that you meet their needs according to your riches and glory, oh God. That you will begin to see them, oh God, in their time of need and in their time of trouble, oh God. That you will open up yourself to them, oh God, that they might see you like never before, oh God. We come against strongholds of the mind right now, oh God, that the people of the city of Chicago may begin to see your glory, oh God, that you will begin to speak your conviction over their hearts, oh God, that you will prick them even as you are, even as you arrested Saul on the road to Damascus, oh God, that you will change their hearts and their minds and their names, oh God, in the name of